Hi, I'm Kyle with Petzl, and today I'll be going over our updated Volt harness range, which features some big changes since the last versions debuted in 2020. The Volt range is designed to provide all-day comfort to those who work at height, engineered with comfort and utility in mind. The range features 4 models: the Volt Lite, the Volt Wind, and the Volt Wind Offshore. I'll go over what they all have in common, the differences between them, and which harness is right for you. Let's start off with what they all have in common. The Volt range is a fall arrest and work positioning harness and can be used for descent control as well. All contact zones use contoured foam and are lined with a breathable material, including the shoulder straps, waist belt, and leg loops, making it more comfortable to work and move around. The shoulder straps are widely spaced to reduce neck chafing and are equipped with a Lanyard parking system for MGO connectors. There are 2 textile slots on both sides to install a work seat for increased comfort while suspended. The sliding dorsal straps provide more ease of movement. On the Volt Wind, and Volt Wind Offshore, they can be adjusted, which helps to really dial in the fit. The waist belt, sternal point, and leg loops are equipped with our fast buckles for quick and easy fastening and unfastening without the loss of adjustment. They also make it easy to don the harness like a jacket with both feet kept on the ground. The double back self-locking buckles on the shoulder straps and waist belt feature an anti-slip device, helping to maintain your desired fit throughout the workday. The waist belt features equipment loops and slots to easily organize equipment and attach a tool tethering system. Now let's go over the attachment points and what each one is used for. The side attachment points are used for attaching a positioning lanyard in double mode, and they can be folded out of the way when not in use. The sternal attachment point is used to attach a fall arrest system, such as a Petzl ASAP vertical lifeline system. The metal dorsal attachment point is used to connect a fall arrest lanyard, and the textile dorsal attachment point is used to connect a personal SRL. The rear attachment point is used to connect a travel restraint lanyard. And lastly, the Volt Wind, and the Volt Wind Offshore feature a Ventral attachment point, which can be used for a few things, including progression along a vertical rail or cable-based ladder fall protection system, connecting a positioning lanyard in single mode, or using a descender. In the event of a fall, the attachment point automatically moves up to a sternal position, allowing a vertical post-fall body position. So which Volt harness is right for you? For tower climbers, we recommend the Volt or the Volt Lite. If you're climbing on a tower with a rail or cable ladder fall protection system, the Volt is a great choice due to its ventral point, which helps keep outward pressure on the rail or cable carrier's cam when climbing down. If you're climbing on a tower or structure without a rail or ladder fall protection system, the Volt Lite is suited to meet your needs as it is very lightweight and breathable. For wind turbine technicians, the Volt Wind is an ideal choice for onshore turbines, and the Volt Wind Offshore is great for offshore turbines. Both of the Volt Wind models are built on the Volt harness platform, but they also include a protective plate on the back of the shoulder straps and the waist belt, which helps to protect the load-bearing webbing from friction-induced wear when moving inside a turbine tower. The offshore model features stainless steel buckles that provide better durability over time for use in humid and salty environments. All 4 harnesses in the Volt range are certified to meet the ANSI Z359.11 and CSA Z259.10 standards. Check out all of these harnesses on GMEsupply.com. Thanks for watching.